Hey, today I'm gonna do a quick review of this knife set and everything you need to know about it. So first off, it can hold 12 knives. You got the bigger ones in the back and then the smaller ones up front. You also have these little side pockets for like a potato peeler, and the other side for scissors, and in the back you have the knife sharpener. So it's just a really nice set here, very easy to take the knives in and out, put them back, and it's just a nice little design that you can have set up, and then you can also see the knives, and it just has everything you need, and overall just a great set.